There are a few guidelines for using Activforce. Place the accessory attachment piece around the Activforce. Place the strap around your hand and place the Activforce in the palm of your hand. The Activforce should sit in the palm of your hand with the power button facing the thumb. When manual muscle testing, you want to make sure that the hand and the Activforce is in alignment with the forearm. So you don't want your wrist to break to protect your wrist after manual muscle testing. For example, in shoulder flexion, we test with the Activforce and hand in alignment with the forearm. So you don't want to break the wrist. Another example, can you side bend your head to the left? Good. We test with alignment of the forearm, the hand, and the Activforce. So we don't want to break that wrist. One more example, to test knee extension, straighten this left leg and hold that position. We want to test with that alignment in mind. We don't want to break the wrist. Following these guidelines will create consistent manual muscle testing results and a good experience for the testee and the tester.